Hello friend, today we discuss important of GIS and remote sensing and career of GIS and remote sensing, scope of GIS, how many arms are available in GIS and one technology using many service and GIS remote sensing career job opportunities of GIS and remote sensing and job positions of GIS and remote sensing, expected salary of the all countries and words, and courses, how many courses is available GIS and remote sensing. It is very important if you want to come to career of GIS and remote sensing. So please listen carefully this video because it is important to your life for GIS and remote sensing career opportunities and salary. So please listen carefully this video. So first we discuss scope of remote sensing and GIS, geographic information system. Remote sensing and GIS is booming technology in world market. It has great scope in both government and private sector. In case of government sector, each and every planning is depending on special analysis. The project like smart cities, properties mapping will provide a big window for GIS person, while provide private sector and started using location based analysis as location based service as Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and food providing service and grooming. It is very important for GIS. Next we discuss to GIS and remote sensing arms. Many arms are available here. Some arms is here: data science, geoinformatics, geometric, remote sensing, image processing, cloud computing, photogrammetry, WebGIS, GPS survey, LiDAR and UAV drone. One technology and several application, many application are using GIS. So first we go government are using homeland security, military, defense, disaster management, law enforcement and planning and environment study, water, oceans, land, welfare and vegetation, natural resources, agriculture, forestry, mining, petroleum, pipeline and utility, power, electricity, gas, telecommunication, water and wastewater and business, banking, insurance, logistic, media, real estate and retails, education, library, museum, 12th education, higher education are using these several applications. And GIS and remote sensing and emerging career option. Many careers are available in GIS and remote sensing. Geographic Information Science. GIS is a field of study that allows us to gather valuable insight from the world around us. But is GIS a growing field, market, research firm, prescient and strategic intelligence predicted the global GIS market will reach 17.5 billion by 23. This growth will be primarily driven by the increased demand for GIS solution from the enterprises sector and in developing nations such as hydrologists, environmental planning and scientists, welfare biologists, civil engineering technician, physical geoscience technician, supervising mapping technician, physical scientist, geophysics and security defense intelligence analyst and geologist. It is very important. Job opportunities. Many job opportunities are available in GIS and remote sensing. The increased use of technology in different industries and improving the scope of job opportunity in GIS and remote sensing. Every area running from missile and unmanned aerial vessel technology to urban administration, e-governance, remote sensing and even advertising and marketing today depending on geospatial data. Most requirement, if you have skills, if you want to skill, so you also use this ArcGIS, MATLAB, Python, C++, Fortran, IDL, R, ADAS, Ecognition, NV and Postgres, SQL, PostGIS, QGIS, Photoshop, GRASS, PCI, Geomatica, ID, RISI and MapInfo are skills required for GIS and remote sensing. Job opportunity. Many job opportunity in available GIS and remote sensing. GIS and remote sensing profession can be hired at various level in position like GIS mapping technician, GIS data specialist, GIS application specialist, GIS business analyst, GIS engineer, GIS operation, GIS consultant, geospatial software engineer, GIS programmers and GIS technical assistant. The growth rate is reporting at 50% from 2018 to 2028. Estimated 1,700 new jobs introducing over the next 10 years. It is very important for GIS and remote sensing person. And expected salary to all world. The US Bureau of the Labor Statistics classified GIS analyst amount cartographic and photogrammetric as of 2018 The BLS report a median salary for the cartographic and photogrammetry at 64,403 per year or $30.98 per hour up to 61,880 per year. The GIS analyst in Los Angeles $64,000 and GIS analyst in Houston 67,000. It is US and other countries salary of GIS persons. So it is very important and booming industry of GIS and remote sensing. If you want to career GIS remote sensing, it is very important to us and you make career of GIS and remote sensing. If you want to any other details, diploma and master degree and other courses, so please contact my WhatsApp number, email ID, and also you call my number anytime. We are available, and you also write a comment for more information. So I advise you which institute and university is good. So please, if you want to any help, so please call, WhatsApp and email. More detail, please WhatsApp my number 91 country code 87563605575. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.